What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to TechMan. Our topic for today is all about how to sign up for the SHEIN affiliate program. So let's begin by opening any browser on your PC. From here, type in the search bar cj.com. In the CJ website, scroll down until you see a partner with the world's best brands. While you are in that section, click sign up. While you are creating an account, fill out the form. After doing those credentials, click verify email. As you can see, it needs verification, so let's go to the email. While we are in the Gmail, open the message from CJ Affiliate. After you open the email, click create my CJ Publisher account. From here, just agree to all terms, and after agreeing to all those terms, click continue to account and log in if they need it. From here, pin your cursor to the Partners tab. After that, click My Advertisers. In the Advertisers tab, just click All in the Status section and go to the Advertisers search bar and type SHEIN. And as you can see, SHEIN appeared, and that's it. That's how to sign up for the SHEIN affiliate program. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.